Okay.
Wait, where's Mom? Oh.
What the hell?
No. Legos.
What did you have? Did you look in yours? Did you look in yours? Is there anything in yours? Look, open up your top. See what's inside.
Kit Kat! And Legos.
Oh, you just sat on it.
Can we open it?
What is that?
Mom, can we open these?
Mark, are you gonna let one?
Yeah, you guys can open one present that's wrapped, okay? So you choose which one you want to open, and we open when we get back.
Okay.
Okay?
Can we open right now?
Pick one.
You choose one. Choose one. My whimper over here.
Yes! Yes! I knew it!
Okay, you open that one. That's the one you want to open.
I knew it!
Yeah, open a present. Pick one.
Yes. And yeah!
Yeah?
Mom, did you know you got the good?
Oh yeah.
These are the good ones.
Those are good ones.
Yeah.
Santa must know which is good, I guess.
Open. Open it.
What's that, Miley?
Rip it. Rip it. Here. There you go. Rip.
Wow,
Rip it.
you must have been good, huh? Were you good? Okay, go put the paper in the recycle. Get your shoes on and we gotta get in the car. Mama's car.
Rip it open.
What?
Rip it.
Yeah, we'll eat at the airport.
What's that? Open it up. Open it
So-
up. You gotta rip the paper.
What?
Whoa.
Mom.
What?
We're gonna open it up.
Open it up. Rip
When you
it
get
open.
home.
No, I mean.